Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform Descale operation in Whirpool Coffee Maker W11. So we have to start from opening the settings, then click on Descale. Now we have to remove the water spout and open the cover. As you can see, we have to add the DeLonghi descaler with the water. So remove the water tank and add inside the the descaler to level A and the water to level B. Then put inside the water tank, close the cover and insert again the water spout. Then click on the next. Okay, we have to remove also the grounds container, so we have to open the cover again and empty the grounds container located on the left side in your coffee machine. Okay, now put the water spout again, click on the next, click on the next. Now place the 2.5 liter vessel under the spout and click on OK to start the process. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.